In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your listening stats in the Audible app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where your total listening time lives and how to read the extra details that help you understand your listening habits. Start by opening the Audible app on your iPhone. You'll recognize it by the orange icon with the sound wave design. Give the app a moment to load so your account and recent activity can sync. If the app opens to a book or the store, that's fine. Everything you need is available from the main navigation at the bottom of the screen. Next, look to the bottom right corner and tap the Profile tab. It typically shows a person-shaped icon labeled Profile, and it sits alongside tabs like Home and Library. If you've been scrolling and the bottom bar disappears, scroll slightly up to bring it back. The Profile area is your personal hub, where Audible collects details about your account, your activity, and of course, your listening trends. On the Profile screen, find the section labeled Activity and Stats. Within that section, tap Listening Stats. This opens your personal dashboard for tracking how much time you spend listening and how that time adds up over days, weeks, or longer. It's designed to be quick and visual so you can get the gist at a glance. Once you're in listening stats, you'll see your total listening time displayed prominently. This is the cumulative amount of time you've actually spent listening in the app. Alongside that, Audible may show additional metrics, such as how your listening is distributed over time, milestones you've reached, or other insights that highlight patterns in your routine. Think of this page as a snapshot of your habits, whether you're a steady daily listener or someone who dives in during commutes and long weekends. If the numbers look a little behind, give the app a moment on a stable connection so it can update. Listening time reflects real time spent playing, so pausing a book won't increase your total, and changing playback speed simply means you'll finish content faster. It doesn't inflate the minutes tracked. If you use Audible on multiple devices, your stats typically sync to your account and should appear here after your activity updates. That's all there is to it. Open Audible, go to your profile, tap listening stats, and your total listening time and other insights are right there. Thanks for watching and enjoy tracking your progress as you explore more great audiobooks.